Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. So now guys, I will explain to you or show to you about my portfolio. So this is all my project and my experience and my about me that is in my portfolio. So the first is about me. This is the introduce or about my name, my birthday, and my hobby. And this is my contact. And this is my CV. In CV there is education from elementary school and junior high school, and there is certification and skill and experience. And in CV there is my contact, phone number, Gmail, Instagram, and my personal website. And this is actually more full about me. And this is the table of content. There is a project, certificate, experience, book, dinner project, and English project. The first is IT project from 7th grade until 9th grade. The first is IT project 7th grade. About game. The first game I made is Catching Fruit. Catching Fruit is one of the games that I made using Scratch. This game trains the player focus, because in this game, if you take a fruit or a fruit, the player will get points. So the main point of this game is if you can get the like fruit or fruit anything else, you can get point. If you get like a lightning as in the picture, you will get a main point. Or if you get more and more, you will be lose in this game. The next is Alien and Feather. Alien and Feather is same I made in Scratch. And the Alien and Feather, the main point is Alien and Feather is shoot the alien and until the score the maximum score. And if alien get touched by plane, you will lose. And the next is Pac-Man. Pac-Man I made in Scratch. Pac-Man, the game main point similar to Pac-Man usually is like run from the alien and get point like cookies, and you will get point. And this is there is time, like timer. And the next is running ball. Running ball is like just run ball run and get the point and run from the enemy like this or this. And the next is crossing road. Crossing road is like jumping from the stage 1 until the last stage. The next is website. This is my personal website. I made this when 7th grade and I updated this in 9th grade. This is all about me in here and all project and my contact and my experience in website. And the next is most website. Most website is I made this for my mosque near from my house. This is the name website is Al-Qura website. In this website there is the chairman, several members and this and prayer schedule, study schedule. And the next is school website. School website is I made this for my school, elementary school. The name is SD Terabang Mutakil. And in this web there is display school programs, school organization from school principals to teacher. The latest information about SDT Ramu or SDT Ramu. The next is IoT. This is the great project. Uh, then the first is robot remote control. Robot remote control is basically the main point is like you can control the robot by remote, so you can like move forward or move behind or move to right or move to left, or you can uh, what can emit lights and horn and turn back and so forth. And the next is robot line follower. Robot line follower is like robot, but follow the line black line, and the robot will be stopped if there is object in front of the robot. And the next is disaster alarm. Disaster alarm is like uh, alarm disaster, but this is there is water level. The water level the function is detect the water, and there is gas radiation, and there is flux. Flux is like there is flux around the sensor will be detected by the sensor. And the next is vending machine. Vending machine is basically some like usually vending machine uh, in like a store, station, or like airport maybe. But this is the vending machine just small, like made by I don't know what the name, but carton like and little sensor. And the next is smart home. Smart home is like the function is you can turn on the lamp by the app. The next is multimedia project, and the first is a food poster. Food poster is a promotional poster for a product with an Instagram post. So this is a food poster for promotional and upload it on Instagram. And the next UI shoe store. UI shoe store. I made this via Figma, and this is application design, and this is the design or description of the shoe store application when it launched in the app. So this is like Tokopedia, but this is the UX. So this make it easier for user find the shoes when user use this app. The next is 3D website. I made this using Spine. So this is like not like usual website, but this website is all 3D from the button, text, and object list. And this is I explained it about sound, idea and sound, and this is the motion graphic. Motion graphic is I made this explained about it is more after to play it in the field or at the mosque. So in Indonesia in here, and I made this is a team project. And the last is idea and profile. This is about just telling about around idea. The next is Android project. So this is a calculator app. Calculator app is like a basically calculator, but it is geometry calculator like square, rhombus, circle, and many more. And I made this in the name is Modular. And this is radio online. Radio online is the name app like radio, but this is the content is like Islamic radio. And the next is Find My Age. Find My Age is like just you put your birth date or your birth year, this app will define your age now. And this is talk to me. Talk to me is specific for people who are unable to see or hear. So this is like will be help the people there is minus uh, and maybe can hear or can write. And the last is Bitakwa app. Bitakwa app is I made this from Android Studio. The content if in Bitakwa app like Muslim app, there is dakwah poster or doa-doa, zakat, zikir, and there is kajian video. The next is English lessons. The first is English short movie. I made this in 7th grade. And the first short movie I made in 7th grade, the name is Say No to Bullying. The next is podcast about the impact of technology for teenagers. And I made this in 8th grade, and I made this with Zofran. And the last is short movie or my final target in English. The name is Berubah and led by Ahnaf. This is a team project. And the last is Dinya project. Dinya project is this is the one of the first poster in 7th grade. And I made this and the title is Ikhlas. And this is the one of Akidah poster. And the next is mind mapping Vicky. Mind mapping Vicky is 8th grade project. And this is about 8th group will have the right to receive a zakat. And the last is motion graphic. Motion graphic I have met in 9th grade. And motion graphic is about don't be negligent. Time in the work is short. So this is I already uploaded on my YouTube. The next is certificate. I have the certificate, the first from Git course. Certificate I got this from progress.com. So I must to join course like course Git. And the next is Coursera. I got this from Coursera Project Network. So this is the how do I get this from? I must join the course like create and design digital products using Canva. And the last is experience. I have been teaching approximately eight different schools. And this is the picture of my teaching. And the largest audience when I teach is around 90%. And next is competition. I have a joint competition in Bogor last when I 7th grade, and that's like show my project. And the next is Ideal Backpacker. So Ideal Backpacker is like character building program. So that's like visit 3 countries, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. And I have visit campus in these 3 countries such as these universities, UNICAL, and many more. The last is we can teach talk. And I have also participated in the Indian Coding School program is we can teach talk. It's like I didn't teaching, but this is like online. And this is telling about how to make an illustration using Figma. Maybe that's all. Thank you for your nice attention. I hope you can understand what I say. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.